Guys, at 10:30 here in Kitchen Crop. Woohoo! It's cold.
Drivers were stranded, power was out, schools and highways were closed, flights were canceled, over 100 buses were stuck, and services like home care and garbage collection were delayed as a blizzard created dangerous conditions across southern Manitoba. The Alberta Clipper that walloped parts of the Prairie province Thursday brought winds gusting to 90 kilometers and created a shroud of blowing snow. Snowfall amounts reported by Environment and Climate Change Canada by late afternoon ranged from 8 centimetres in Winnipeg to 19 in Argyle, but noted strong winds made snowfall measurements difficult, so those amounts may vary significantly. Early Thursday, the storm left some drivers stuck in their vehicles and unable to go anywhere because of poor road conditions that quickly engulfed them, as Environment Canada issued winter storm warnings in southeastern Manitoba and extreme cold warnings in the north. Manitoba RCMP said Thursday morning they'd gotten calls from about 20 people whose vehicles, even officers and tow truck operators, couldn't reach. Those staff with the Mounties Communications Center were regularly checking in with those drivers by phone to make sure they were safe. Between 6 p.m. Wednesday and 8:30 a.m. Thursday, Mounties got 11 reports of crashes on highways throughout the province, as well as several reports of vehicles stuck in ditches. Some roads within Winnipeg became hard to navigate because of drifts and snow cover, and many highways were closed, including parts of the Trans-Canada Highway and, at one point, the perimeter highway surrounding the city. The storm led to the rare step of all public school divisions in Winnipeg closing for the day. Something that hasn't happened because of weather since a storm in 2022, when schools and administration offices across the city closed their doors, although Pembina Trails School Division still held classes online. Before that, schools across Winnipeg hadn't closed due to weather for 25 years. The blizzard also left well over 100 buses stuck in the snow throughout what Rick Young, Winnipeg Transit's manager of operations, called a challenging day. Young said the city's Brigwater area, which has several roundabouts, was especially difficult for buses, and added while he hopes routes will be closer to normal Friday, he encouraged riders to check Transit's website for schedule changes, dress warm, and make sure you're prepared to stand for a while. Manitoba Hydro also dealt with a number of power outages both in Winnipeg and outside the city, including one Thursday morning that extended along Pembina Highway and included the University of Manitoba. The U of M, the University of Winnipeg, Canadian Mennonite University, and Booth University College in Winnipeg were closed Thursday and have postponed exams. Argyle, Polytech's Winnipeg and regional campuses were also closed for the day. Many flights in and out of Winnipeg were also delayed or canceled by the storm, a spokesperson for the Winnipeg Airports Authority said, a development that left some travelers waiting at the city's airport wondering when they might be able to board. It's been very hectic all morning. Everyone's been trying to get on different flights and trying to get around, take whatever they can. Antonio Raposo said as he waited at the airport to see when he would be able to fly to Las Vegas for a planned getaway. Jim Kurtz, who was in Winnipeg this week for work and was trying to get back to Ontario, said he wasn't worried about his flight being delayed further. The city of Winnipeg also canceled garbage and recycling pickup Thursday and rescheduled it for Friday instead, with Friday collection now getting pushed to Saturday. The storm also forced the Winnipeg Regional Health Authority to significantly reduce its home care services, meaning most clients wouldn't be seen Thursday, unless they're considered high risk, a news release said.